Hello, this is Mark Vila with ColDesi, and today I'm going to show you the absolute best way to custom tag your custom t-shirts, and we're going to be using the DigitalHeat FX System. So as you can see here, we've got our printed out cat. This was printed on the DigitalHeat FX 9541. Colors are awesome. We've got a couple logos in here, and we've got our tag. So this is really cool because I'm going to show you how you put all this on the shirt at one time. So let's go ahead and just take the first step and do our marrying process at our heat press. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do our marry process. And if you're not familiar with this, I've got a polymer sheet or a B sheet. And this is how we take the print that we pulled out of our 9541 printer and prepare it to become a t-shirt transfer. And it's great because in one swoop, we're going to take our logos, our designs, and our tag and marry them all together. All right, so here we go. We've got a few different transfers all created at once for one t-shirt to do logo, design, and tag. Here we are. The secret to easily putting designs and tags on your shirt at the same time. This is a Platen from Hotronix, and we're going to use it on our Hotronix Fusion today. And it's brought to you by Livingston, who has a patent on this device, and Livingston's brought to you a ton of other Platens for all different devices out there. They make very cool designs, and I'm just going to give you a quick demo of what we're looking at here. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Print Optimizer logo and the cat. And then I'm going to use our tag, right? So we've got our medium, our ColDesi, a bunch of other things on there. And we'll talk about that in a bit. And this will fit right in this spot too. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to swap out your Platen on your Fusion and get this set up, and then we'll make the shirt. Okay. So here we are at our Fusion. We need to do a Platen swap. So that's very easy. It's one of my favorite features of here. We're going to go ahead and just open it up, and this lifts right off. Now, if you've been doing transfers all day, this is going to be pretty hot, so get some gloves, heat gloves. I just use a t-shirt often because they're just typically obviously lying around in a t-shirt shop. And we're going to pull this right off. So just like that, your new Platen slides right on, locks in place, and you're ready to go. Now, it comes with this really nice Teflon cover that's custom fit for this. If you're doing DigitalHeat FX transfers, you want to make sure you have perfectly level surfaces. So this is actually slightly higher than this, exactly the thickness of this. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So now we have a perfectly smooth surface where both of these are even, and we can do a DigitalHeat FX transfer. So let's get to it. Threading our shirt onto our TagAlong Platen is really easy, as you can see. This is on, and we could actually just print a transfer just like this without doing a tag, or we can do a tag, and I'll show you how that works too. The back of the shirt just slides right up just like that, and in kind of one swoop. So now that we're going to personalize this, and I highly recommend you do this with your business, right? We've got a few pieces of information that we're going to transfer from the tag we're going to remove. We've got, we're going to remove the district branding, and we're going to replace it with the ColDesi branding. We've included websites and then some information from the tag as well, including the size. We've got medium, the material it's made out of, where it was made, and some wash instructions. So I'd recommend just looking online to find out what things you're going to want to include on your tags when you're going to go ahead and completely relabel something. So I'm going to have this here. This is a tearaway tag, so simple, that's gone. All of our new information is here, right in the middle of our tag Platen. So here's our shirt design, and I've got some heat tape. I'm going to put this here just to make sure this tag doesn't move. If you don't have some of this heat tape and you're doing heat transfers, you definitely want to get some, and check that out at colemanandcompany.com. You'll see where you can get heat tape, and then I'll just put a little bit on the t-shirt too, just so it doesn't slide out when I move. We're ready to transfer. Now, because this is a digital heat effects, we're going to want to do a cool peel on it. I do want to be careful when I'm removing this tag, so you just want to be a little bit ginger with your movements here as we take this off. Tag and design ready to go, and so let's go ahead and peel these transfers off. So it's time, just as usual, to do our finish press. And what's great about the tag along press is we get to finish our tag and our full front at the same time. Here we are with our finished shirt. We've got a full tag, wash instructions, referral to where to send customers back to, so you put your website or whatever you might have, your logo, size, everything all in one press. This is definitely one of the coolest inventions and time savers to create custom apparel with your digital heat effects printer and the TagAlong Platen for your Hotronix heat press.